Hello again, lovely people. Yet again, I'm here to share with you another recipe. Today we're making plantain fritters, but it's a popular Ghanaian dish that normally we eat with aboboy or beans, any type of beans really, but traditionally we make them with aboboy. I've made some lentils which we're going to have it with, and I just want to show you the ingredients I use. So I need garlic, ginger, fresh onions, and I've taken a little bit of scotch bonnet that I've de-seeded. I've toasted my grains of selim, as well as some peppercorns. I've got some salt, I've got some flour. You can use any flour. I'm using self-raising flour because I like it to have a little bit of a rise. And then we've got some plantain, ripe plantain. This is really ripe. And I have got my measuring cup. So first of all, we're gonna crush all our peppercorns and grains of selim. We're gonna crush that first. Should look like this, if you can see. Perfect. So set that aside, and I'm going to chop these ingredients and into my apotoyoa it goes. That aside, and all we're going to do is grind this. I've chosen not to add all my ginger because of the kids, and we don't want to. We want them to be able to enjoy it as well. At this point, we're going to add in our grounded ingredients. I'm going to put in some salt. You can smell the aroma is just beautiful. Right, fabulous. So I'm not going to use all of this. I'm going to set some aside. And the reason I do this is to make sure that it's not too spicy. So I do this to measure the amount of spice, and I set this aside. I'll add to it if I need it, but for now I'm setting this aside. Feel free to add some more paste to your desired taste. Not bad at all. I'm just gonna make sure I haven't missed any lumps. I don't like them too smooth, but sometimes when you're grinding it, you want to make sure. At this point, I'm going to measure out a cup of flour. And this is a 1/4 cup or 60 ml. So with a sift, I'm going to sift the flour into it. This is why we use a sieve. Just want to show you. Yeah, we don't want that in there. Adding eggs is completely optional, so feel free to do so if you so wish. So we're going to be using zomi just a little bit. And I like to cheat and I use this one. I use an ice cream scoop, so I'm going to do the egg ones first. Okay, few more minutes on that one. So I'm just going to clean the oil. I love this pan. Yes, I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil, which you can use if you don't have palm oil, or regular oil, either way, whichever one you prefer. So make sure that's one in my pan. And I'm now going to fry the non-egg version. Again, I solicit the help of my scoop. Okay. Ice cream scoop. had 3 minutes on each side, and I think it should be done now. Just turn it over. Yeah. Yeah. They're all ready. Just gonna take them out now. Just so I can show you what it looks like. There we go. That's the palm oil one and the olive oil. I personally prefer the palm oil, the traditional way. Right, so I've shown you 2 options. I'm just going to plate up and we'll take it from there. So our lunch is ready. We've got our lentil stew. Yeah. Put the spoon in there. We've got our olive oil ones and then the right plantain. These are the egg ones and these are the non-egg ones. So let's plate up. Baby, Tatale, no more baby, Tatale. Our lunch is ready. So thank you all for watching and have a lovely day, or enjoy each blessing that the day presents. Until we meet again, au revoir. So good.